Hello, I'm Martin from Project Alf, and today I am here to give you an update of what's going on in the Project Alf itself and what new capabilities we have brought up. And today's update is going to be short, but I believe it's going to be worth it. Well, bunch of you guys have gave us a feedback that you like what we call a Crewboard, which is the part of the Project Alf where you see what's going on within your team members. You know, what are they working on, whether they are assigned to one or more tasks, and so on and so on. And one of the things that you want to have there is the ability to see what are their activities besides the backlog. For example, the vacation and so on and so on. So we have decided to bring this into the Crewboard. So let's see how it works. Well, I will go here in the homepage. I'll open up what's called the Project Alf 1.1 product. So when we open it, you'll see here that we have the board of all the tasks, all the requirements, and here is the Crewboard. So well, currently you see what team members are assigned to what tasks, whether, for example, they have more than one task, which might not be desired in difference, it depends on your cases. But what you can do now is when you click on the team member, you have here a new tab that's called Occupied. Well, and you can add the occupation. So we will do that. It's very simple. You will pick the date. So let's say that this team member will have a vacation from 10th of February to the 14th of the February. And we will have here the description vacation. The description is mandatory because, of course, this is something that we wanted to have available also through the API for the future integrations. So, for example, if you want to integrate with whatever, time management tool, such as, Monday.com, whatever else where you already store the information about the vacations of your team members or anything else, you can have it there. You can have here the description, which is vacation, sabbatical, maternity leave, whatever, right? So we'll create it here and we will move my video in here. You see that there is a new occupation, description, vacation, and when you refresh the board, you'll see here that this team member is not available for any possible task at this moment. And if I try to assign to this member any of existing tasks, it will give me a notification. So if I want to, for example, have here this member, it tells me this member is occupied, this team member cannot work on these tasks, and so on and so on. So this is it from my side. Stay tuned because we are heading towards much more capabilities in the Crewboard itself. And what's going to be next is the range of the task start date. So when you are planning far ahead, very often you guys want the start date of the tasks to not be the exact date, but you want to somehow map it to, for example, a month or maybe even a quarter or a week, right? You know that it will start somewhere in there. And this has to be properly visualized. This has to be properly, very nicely visible when there is anybody playing with the backlog and playing with the team assignments. So thank you very much. Thanks for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.